In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced. Then scroll down again and click on one-handed mode. Now use this switcher at the top to activate it. Make sure that pull screen into reach is on and then follow those instructions. So when I swipe down, I can see that one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To adjust gesture sensitivity, click on this option at the bottom and operate this slider to adjust it. When you finished, go back. If you want to, you can also click on this gear next to pull screen into reach and pick size of your shrink screen. When you finished, go back. If you don't want to enter one-handed mode using gesture, you can tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit Got it and enter one-handed mode by clicking on the shortcut. You can go back to the standard screen by tapping on the same one, swiping up or clicking on dark area. To disable your shortcut, use the same now blue switcher. To turn off one-handed mode completely, click on this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!